In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in WordPress all at once. By the end, you'll know the quickest, safest way to clear out unwanted comments from your site using the built-in tools without installing anything extra. First, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress dashboard with a role that can manage comments, typically an administrator or editor. From the dashboard menu on the left, click Comments. This takes you to the central place where all your comments are listed: pending, approved, spam, and trash. We'll start in the main list. At the top left of the comments table, you'll see a checkbox in the header row, just above the list. Click that checkbox to select every comment visible on the current page. Keep in mind, this selects only the comments you can see right now. If your comments are spread across multiple pages, you'll repeat these selection steps on each page until you've covered them all. Many site owners also adjust how many comments are shown per page using the Screen Options tab at the top right to speed this up, but that's optional. With your visible comment selected, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down just above the table. Open it and choose Move to Trash. Then click Apply. WordPress will move all the selected comments to the trash. This is a safe, reversible step. Nothing is permanently removed yet, so it's a good moment to scan the trash later if you think you might need to keep anything. Next, switch to the trash view to finish the cleanup. Near the top of the comments screen, click the trash link. Here, you'll see everything you just moved. Again, click the checkbox at the top of the table to select all comments in the trash on the current page. Open the Bulk Actions drop-down once more, choose Delete Permanently, and click Apply. This removes those comments from your database for good and cannot be undone, so be certain you no longer need them before applying this action. If your trash spans multiple pages, repeat the selection and permanent delete until the trash is empty. That's it. You selected your visible comments, sent them to the trash, and then deleted them permanently from the Trash tab. If you're targeting spam, the process is similar in the Spam tab. Always double-check the trash before the final delete to avoid removing something you want to keep. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, faster comments area.